Hello, all. Welcome to the YouTube channel. I'm really happy to say that there is a great response for the last video. With all your love and support, I'm presenting you more useful videos. Thanks, one and all, for the great support. Let's enter into today's topic. Would you guess what is today's topic? Let me give you a guess. Let me tell you a riddle. Two sisters are we. One is dark and one is fair. One from land, one from sea. Who we are, who we are. Any guesses? Please comment in the comment section and please give a like. Hope your guesses are right. Yes, of course. One of it was salt. Salt we commonly call common salt or table salt. We have many experiences with salt. Let me share you an interesting experience. Imagine what will happen if you invite somebody to home for dinner. The food will be tasteless if a bit of salt is less in your food. If there is less salt in the dinner menu, what would happen? Can you guess? It will surely become hot topic all over there, and this news will pass even to next generation. Ha ha ha. If we look at other side of the coin about salt, doctor's first advice was no more salt in your food. We use salt in many ways in our day-to-day life. We all know that how salt acts on our physical body. Guys, now I am going to tell you an interesting fact about salt. Come, let's know what is that. Do you know that low salt intake can affect our emotions? Yes, what you heard is absolutely true. Low salt intake affects mood changes in you, increases anxiety level, can see symptoms of depression. Low sodium levels causes restlessness in you. Excuse me, what are you thinking about? Are you checking yourself whether the symptoms persisting in you? All right, let's deep dive to know salt role on our emotions. Do you find it interesting? What are you waiting for? Please give a like. First point, high salt diet will increase the level of stress hormones like cortisol. Second point, research shows higher salt intake will increase anxiety and depression. Third point, high salt intake may affect the immune system, which can play a role in mood disorders. Point 4, salt intake may influence neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which are involved in mood regulation. Point 5, excessive salt intake may cause inflammation to brain, which can affect mood. Point 6, dehydration, which can result from excessive salt intake, can also negatively impact mood, leading to fatigue, irritability, and depression. Point 7, sodium plays vital role in human health. It helps in sending and receiving signals in nervous system. Point 8, consuming salt triggers the release of dopamine. Salt induces hypothalamus to release dopamine. Point 9, adequate salt level can help in maintaining a balanced mood and reducing stress levels. Research suggests that sodium levels can influence brain activity. especially in emotional processing. Low sodium levels can lead to lethargy, confusion, and severe cognitive impairment. Adequate salt level can maintain balanced mood and reducing stress levels. Maintaining an adequate sodium intake is considered important for healthy neurons and regulating cerebral functions. Let's talk about the second ingredient. Would you wonder when you think about availability of salt and pepper together on a table in any restaurant? Both salt and pepper influences our emotions, especially black pepper. Black pepper is potential to boost our mood. Black pepper influence on neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. Black pepper plays a crucial role in regulating mood and emotion. Research suggests that black pepper aroma can help in stress reduction. Pepperin is a component of black pepper. Pepperin offers relief from conditions like depression and anxiety. Pepperin improves brain function. Pepper is an antidepressant. Pepper is used in aromatherapy to reduce stress levels. When we eat spicy food like chili peppers, leads to release endorphins, leading to temporary mood boost that in turn change feelings of energy and also alertness. Finally, we can conclude that salt and pepper has a vital role on our emotions. Our ancestors know that well. That's why they had included into our food. However, taking them in a right quantity is most important. There is a lot of hard work to present you this information. So please give a like, share the information to others and support us. Let's be together like salt and pepper and be happy. Let's work together for a change in society. Thanks for watching.